What's going on, guys? So, just wanted to make a quick video about my trade today on Lizi. So, this stock was very choppy right from the get-go. Right from the open, it sold off a little bit and then kind of shot up, breaking the VWAP, and gave some follow through here to 450. And you can see that the pre-market highs was 488. So in my mind, it was like, well, it tested here, it couldn't break it. So if it tried again, I thought, it would probably be able to try and retest those highs of 488 and then maybe break them, and we'd see some follow through. So that was my kind of thought process going into this trade, and I wasn't really looking to trade it until I saw this big spike in volume here, right around 10:07. So once I saw that big spike of volume and you saw it break the VWAP, hold above the VWAP, and then you had this 1 minute pullback, which at the time when I took the trade, it looked like it could be a potential 1 minute pullback for a follow through and then a retest of the pre-market highs of 488, as you can see here. So that's the thought process there. Obviously, as most people that were following the stock know, it sold off quite a bit, and I had to stop out. My stop was the VWAP, and it broke the VWAP here, and I sold out, covering my shares at around 410.05, and I got in at 446 because I was anticipating, it would hold the $0.50, or at least somewhere around the $0.50 here, around 450, and then it would retest those highs of 488 and then possible $5. So that was my thought process there, and I wasn't really too mad at myself on this trade because really there's nothing more I could do than get in at a good place around the $0.50, which I did at 446, and then see what happens. And if it gave me continuation, just kind of take my profits, and if it didn't, then respect my stop. And that's what I did. I respected the stop as soon as it broke the VWAP, and then I saw it kind of try to retest but couldn't. In this area here, there started to form, the VWAP started to act as resistance. So as soon as I seen that, I was like, all right, I'm out. And I got just sold flat for a small loss. Wasn't a big loss. I didn't take huge size because I wasn't sure about this. I was thinking of adding as it broke. If it broke the high of day, the pre-market high of day, I would have added at 488, over 480, over 490, added for the break of $5, but that didn't happen. So I obviously just had one trade, small trade, and I respected my stop. I would have stopped out on this candle if it had closed below the VWAP. As you can see on this candle here, it closed above the VWAP. It broke the VWAP for a second to the downside, but then it closed above the VWAP, which made me think, hey, this could just consolidate in this area and then maybe break for the test of the $0.50 again. That did not happen, obviously, and we had a sell-off. And so it's kind of funny because earlier this morning, before I took this trade, I was actually thinking of shorting it in around this area here, and the main reason was because I saw the VWAP acting as resistance. So the game plan here was just timing, and I had the right idea at first, which was it was a short, but then I saw the long setup, so I took the opportunity, and then that did not happen. It obviously flushed, so I just stopped out for a small loss and respected my stop. So I feel pretty good about the trade. Obviously I would have liked to be profitable, but I also like to respect my rules and respect my stops, and when I get in a trade, if I have a stop, just respect it, because in the past I haven't done that, and it always leads to either losing more money. Sometimes it comes back and you obviously you end up making money, and you're like, oh yeah, but it's not as good of a feeling as when you made the right decision from the very beginning. And that's kind of where I want to get to trading, is kind of knowing what the right setups are, being confident to take those setups, and then being confident enough to stop out when I see them not following through. So it's either breakout or bailout, as a few other traders would say. And yeah, this was a bailout, not a breakout, but it happens. And I'll be back for another day. Right now I just traded today because it's the holiday here in Canada. It's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, everybody, all my Canadians, and to all the Americans out there, well, happy trading. And hopefully you were more profitable today than me, and you didn't get caught in this short squeeze on Lizi like many people did. But anyway, so that's the video for today. We'll be trying to make more videos coming up soon, but I gotta work a lot right now, just on the farm harvesting. So it's harvest season, and that means lots of work for me. Anyway, that's it for today. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you with another video soon.